Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up and enable the WooCommerce Order Tracker plugin on your WordPress website. This plugin is incredibly useful for keeping your customers informed about their order status and improving their overall shopping experience by allowing them to track their shipments in real time. First, open a browser and head to WordPress.com. If you haven't already logged into your account, go ahead and do that now. Make sure you're using the account that's connected to your WooCommerce store, as this is essential for managing your plugins and store settings. Once you're logged in, look over to the left navigation menu and click on WooCommerce. This will expand to show you several options related to your store management. From these expanded options, click on Plugins. This section is where you'll manage all the plugins that power your WooCommerce store and add new functionality to enhance your business operations. From the Plugins page, you'll see all the plugins currently installed under your WooCommerce store. Look for the option to Add Plugin and click on it. This will direct you to the WooCommerce plugin store, which is essentially a marketplace filled with extensions and tools designed specifically for WooCommerce. Once you're there, locate the search bar at the top and type in Track Orders for WooCommerce, then hit Enter. Keep in mind that it might take a while to load up results, as this is a fairly common plugin and there are multiple products with similar names. From the results that appear, look specifically for Track Orders for WooCommerce Multi-Carrier WooCommerce Shipping. This is the plugin we're installing today. Click on More Details to open up the plugin's overview page. Take a moment to read through the plugin's functions and features to make sure it meets your needs. Once you're ready, click on Install Now. The installation process will begin and you'll need to wait until it finishes. After the installation is complete, click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. You'll notice a new option has appeared on your left navigation menu labeled WP Swings. Click on this to access the plugin's settings. Now to enable order tracking, you'll be taken to the General Settings page. Here, click on Enable Plugin. This step activates the core functionality of the tracker. Make sure to save your settings by scrolling down to the bottom of the page and clicking on Save Settings. Give it a moment to process and confirm your changes have been saved. Once saved, head over to the Track Order tab within the same menu. Here, you'll need to enable the tracking feature. This is the section where you'll be entering your order tracking numbers and details for each shipment. Make sure to enable the Track Orders feature as well, as this allows your customers to access their tracking information directly from your website. Don't forget to save your settings again by clicking Save at the bottom of the page. And that's it. You've successfully set up and enabled the WooCommerce Order Tracker plugin on your WordPress website. Your customers can now track their orders seamlessly, which will improve their confidence and satisfaction with your store. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.